In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok photo mode missing. First, make sure that your TikTok is up to date. For this, go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. And if you see an update button, then tap on it. Once it is updated, open the app and check if the photo mode is back. And if updating doesn't work, what you have to do is contact TikTok support. For this, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. And once you're on your profile page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Report a Problem. And once you're on this page, click on Account and Profile and from the drop down, choose Editing Profile. In the Editing Profile section, you will find Other option. Tap on it, and the bottom of this section, you will see an option Need More Help. Tap on it. Now what you have to do is write a message. So you can write something similar to that the photo mode option is missing on my account, and you can ask them to resolve this issue as soon as possible. And you can write more things if you have to. So write the message and ask them to solve your problem and enable the feature on your account. So submit this report and then wait around day or two until they see the message and respond to you.